Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing the GENYESTAR 12-pack AA 600 mAh Ni-MH Rechargeable Batteries, designed specifically for outdoor solar garden lights and other low-drain devices. First, let's talk about the advantages of NiMH technology. These batteries are safe and stable, with no explosion risk, unlike some lithium-ion alternatives. They offer strong endurance, long power consumption, and a long service life. They're non-scalding and durable, operating in temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so they'll keep your solar lights shining even in snowy conditions. Environmental safety is a big plus. These batteries contain no harmful metals like chromium, mercury, or lead. Their tough steel case makes them safe for use around children, and the nickel metal hydride material helps prevent environmental pollution. Now let's talk about value. NiMH batteries can be recharged up to 1,000 times. One of these AA batteries replaces hundreds of disposable alkaline batteries, saving you money and reducing waste. Given the rising cost of single-use batteries, this pack pays for itself quickly. Usage is incredibly versatile. Beyond solar garden lights, they work great in Halloween and Christmas lights, outdoor lanterns, smart home devices, digital cameras, remote controls, handheld games, keyboards, mice, and toys. Essentially, any device that requires AA batteries. One important note: these batteries come pre-charged to 30 to 50% for safe shipping. If they arrive with little power, that's not a defect. Just fully charge them before first use. This is standard for NiMH batteries. In my tests, they performed admirably in solar garden lights, lasting through several nights of dusk to dawn operation. They charged up fine even on cloudy days. Compared to other brands like Eneloop or Amazon Basics, these GENYESTAR batteries offer similar performance at a more affordable price. They're a great budget-friendly option for solar lighting. Overall, if you're looking for reliable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective AA batteries for your solar lights or other gadgets, I highly recommend the GENYESTAR 12-pack. The value is excellent and the performance holds up. That wraps up this review. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more product reviews. Links to purchase these batteries are in the description below. Thanks for watching.